Here is the status of the chamfered post table on page 49 of chapter 9. We need to create tenons on the stretchers, and I'll make a copy of the stretcher and bring it forward as shown here, picking the tape measure tool and creating parallel guidelines for the size of the tenon, editing the component, and then picking the line tool to draw over those parallel guidelines. Now we have a face for the tenon. Pick the push-pull tool and pull that out and type 11/16, which is the length of the tenon. Now we have the tenon on one end of the stretcher, and to put the tenon on the other end, we'll copy this one, select it, then pick the Move Copy tool and bring a copy over to the left end and reorient the tenon with the flip along red direction and move the tenon into the connection on the corner. There is a missing face on the top and bottom face of the tenon. Heal that with the line tool and erase the extra line on the top of the tenon. We can close the component now. Come back to the assembly. Get rid of those guidelines with the eraser tool and erase the copy of the stretcher. Now, to use the tenon to create the mortise in the leg, we'll orient the assembly so that we get a good view of the leg socket and bring a copy of the leg out to the side so that we can see the operation that occurs. Picking the X-ray tool, then editing the leg, and picking the line tool and tracing over the face of the tenon where it enters the face of the leg. You can see the rectangle being created over on the copy of the leg. Then picking the push-pull tool and pushing the mortise back 3/4 of an inch. Now we can close the component and come back to the assembly and turn off X-ray and erase the extra leg component. And we have the stretcher tenons and the leg mortises complete.